Good morning, guys. It's kind of a good and I don't know day today's Saturday, so it's like, yeah, ooh, yeah, it's bright. Oh shoot, yeah, I got up a bit late, and yeah, we got a bit, not late, but a bit late. But I usually wake up early these days, but went to bed late last night, so yeah. So it's nice that these things really work. I'm so happy about it. This one here, that's what I use to deter the birds, and there's no bird shit up here, so it's awesome. So let's check out the neighborhood, man. Oh yeah. So it's a bit windy, but the thing is, the weather is good. It's not cold. I'm wearing this shirt, and yeah, I'm just gonna leave the screen door on because weather is good today. Just enjoy the weather. Anyway, how are you going, guys? Today is Saturday. It's I don't have it's 18th of September, I reckon. So yeah, it's a new day. It's a new day. I have nothing else to say. Good morning. I just need to. I think I made breakfast earlier for Laura because she had to go to work, and yeah, I don't have rice anymore. I don't want to make oatmeal. I'm too lazy today, and I need to do a lot of schoolwork, so it's gonna be a hustle today. I hope I can keep up. But yeah. Also, this is I'm just gonna show you again. This is my work desk here. There you go. So yeah, we put it here in the living room, and I have two screens, and I have a Mac Mini and a MacBook on the side. So when Laura works here, I just move one of the tables, and I work on the side here. We also try to sleep somewhere here, but I'm trying to make it a point that we aren't making this as a sleeping area, because the thing is, we try to work here, and whenever we see a bed, we just go to the bed. That's the hardest thing with working from home. Whenever you see a bed, you just want to get to the bed. You just want to go. Anyway, I can see. I'm gonna clear up the stuffs here in the house now, and maybe take a shower or have lunch. But other than that, yeah, lots of things to do today. Okay, that was a lot of things to do. So how are you guys going with your day today? How's your ISO? Oh shoot, that's nice. I can see my favorite tree now from here. I can't show you with a GoPro. I always take a photo of that tree, like sunrise, sunset. It's a majestic tree, and it's awesome. I just hate that tree that's in front of us, the foreground. There's a tree that's in front, and it's crappy and it's ugly looking. I'm just ranting. My hair looks like shit. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna start. Ouch! I think I twisted my knee. I'm gonna start doing stuff now. So yeah. So it's things like this sofa bed that we just got, and whenever it's here in the living room, we look at it, and then we can just open it as something that we could sleep on. But the thing is, it's so tempting to use it when you're working. When you try to see when it's open as a bed, then you're so tempted to use it, and you just want to lie down, chill, and just be lazy for the whole rest of the day, and you end up not doing anything. That happened to me. Anyway, yeah, then why am I here? I don't want to move anymore. Anyway, yep, that's it. So it's tough when you're working from home, and you see a lot of distractions. Another thing with this one is we have it here on the living room. That way, when you're working, you can see things outside in the balcony, although the balcony is a bit covered, but you can see the sky, and you can see whatever's outdoors. But if you look behind you, that is the kitchen. So when you're working, you see the kitchen, and you just want to go to the kitchen. That's the reason I go to the garage, and I have a work desk there also. Like it's a simple work desk. There's not a lot of space there, but I do a lot of crafts and do-it-yourself things over there. Also, I do work there. I have a heater. I have everything there. And if I need to work somewhere which it's a bit dark, there's not much light, then that's a good place there. In here, there are glass doors, and there are glass I don't know, ceiling windows here for light up there. So it's so bright here, and you can't control the light. You can go downstairs to the room, and you can have it there. I was planning to use one of our rooms as my studio, but it ended up our drying area for the clothes, and it protects it from the smell of the kitchen. Whenever you cook in the kitchen, it goes to your clothes and it goes there. So we try to close that room. I have a big racking there of my bags. Why am I talking about this place? I'm just too lazy now. I want to go to sleep. Anyway, good Saturday, everyone. I don't know how long the videos. I made a long video already, and it just started the day. Well, that's it. Yeah, this is Saturday. It's gonna be a hustle. I should stop filming now. Oh man, why did I come here? I just want to go to sleep or just chill. And I have a lot of things to do. Really, I have a lot of things to do. Okay, gotta do something. Okay, just trying to be lazy now. I was trying to cook this canned sisig from Argentina, but I don't want to wash and wait for a long time, so went ahead and cook egg at the same time. So lazy, man. Okay, gotta listen to Nirvana. Gotta stop recording because don't want to be copy strike. Good morning. Yep, one more egg. Get some salt. That should be good. Okay, I gotta stop recording now. I look like a bum, and I need to take a shower, and I need to eat also. Just started with work, and rice is just done. So yeah, I think that's enough for today. Just that, yeah, it's a Saturday, and I'm doing a lot of things. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Goodbye.